Hey friends, there is something about the holidays that invites us to slow down. There's something about the lights, the traditions, the time with friends and family. It makes us want to be a little bit more present, more still. But there is something that is very good at pulling us out of the present moment of the festive holiday season. And that is distraction from our digital devices. And I'm talking about the pings, the dings, the little red bubbles, the buzzing, all the little things that is constantly grabbing our attention when we're really trying to be present. So in today's video, I'm going to invite you to take 10 minutes to turn off all of the little notifications that are popping up everywhere in your digital life. And the four main places are going to be your cell phone, your watch, Apple Watch, or any other watch like that, your iPad, or your laptop, desktop, either your computer. So phone, digital watch, iPad, or computer. So for the first three devices, you can go into your settings. To be honest, I don't have an Apple Watch. I'm just assuming, but you can Google it if you need to. But you can go into your settings and then notifications. And you can turn off all of the notifications, even just for the season. I'm not saying it has to be forever, but even just for this holiday season. So it might be your shopping apps, your social media, your email, random promo apps, games or travel apps, the things that you don't really need or use those notifications for, but they're still pulling you out and, being distractions. So you can keep like your messages and your phone calls, right? But quiet the rest of them. And you could even turn on your do not disturb or your focus time when you're having intentional time for the festive season. So the next one is for your computer. And I'm going to talk about MacBook because that's what I use. But for a lot of different apps on MacBook, you get that little notification in the upper right-hand part of your screen, usually Slack messages, email messages, Facebook messages, text messages, phone calls, all the things, and they're always showing up in that right hand, and you can turn those off, and I would really encourage you to do so. Again, if not for forever, then certainly just for the holiday season. Because all of that noise, that background digital noise, it really does pull on us and drag us and takes our attention away from the present moment. And this way you're not reacting all day, right? You are being proactive to be present. Ooh, I didn't even try that. I didn't try to make that happen, and it just did. Proactive to be present. Okay, not that great, but still kind of fun. So anyways, that's what the festive season invites us to do, though, is to be present, be with our families, communities, friends, whatever that looks like for you, or even having a very quiet, cozy holiday season. Either way, no matter what, having those, the high volume of distractions does not serve any of that. So I encourage you, after watching this video, take 10 minutes and turn off all of those unnecessary digital distractions for a more peaceful holiday. I'm wishing you a very sweet and beautiful and hopefully peaceful or festive holiday season. And thank you so much for watching as always, and happy organizing, my friends.